Hey, what's up guys? John Phelps here, owner, operator of Phelps Property Maintenance. I wanted to bring you on site today of a project we're doing. This is a house that's going to be on the market soon. So what I did is I met with the owner that's going to be selling the property, and we had a consultation of the best way to maximize the sale price without overspending, which some people tend to do, and it's not hard to do. And you don't really need to spend a whole lot of money in this scenario, being that the neighborhood, the price, the value, all that you kind of bring into play. So we had a budget, proposed budget that we stuck with here, and we're just doing kind of a revive. So one thing we're doing is the flooring. The existing flooring in this area was a very outdated parquet type flooring from the 80s. So we're upgrading the flooring through here. We're gonna leave this paint because it looks like it's been somewhat recently painted. So it's in pretty good shape. We're not going to worry about that. Now we're in the back part of the house. What we're doing back here, there's two bathrooms. There's a half bath and a full bath, which you would consider, I guess, the master. In here, the vanity was already here. The toilet was already here. All we did in here was update the flooring and update the towel rack and the toilet paper holder. So that was pretty much it in there, just a good cleanup. In this room, we did all new flooring. We replaced the vanity with the new vanity, still the original toilet. But the big concern, or the big, I guess, issue with this bathroom was the flooring. There's a lot of moisture and buildup underneath it, being that it was a laminate type flooring that was here before. We just replaced it with new. New light fixture, new mirror. And other than that, it was just a repaint. We painted the ceiling, just kind of freshen it up. Still gonna need to clean the shower, put a new shower curtain on, and this bathroom's ready to go. These are the bedrooms. Not a whole lot we're gonna do in these bedrooms other than replace the carpet. The walls, the blinds, the light fixtures, the fans, everything of that category is ready to go. Okay, now we're gonna take a look at the kitchen. We're not going to do a whole lot in here. The only thing that we really did was just add this low budget type of backsplash, just to kind of dress it up a little bit, give it a little bit more character. Other than that, just a clean up of the cabinets, wipe down. The paint's in good shape. Like I said, everything in this house has been recently painted, so there's not a whole lot of painting involved in the actual house. There's a room out here I'll show you. Very nice screened in porch room back here that is orange. So as you can tell, probably wouldn't appease to a lot of buyers, being that this bold color. So we're just going to kind of soften this with a neutral palette, install a new ceiling fan here, and this will be a really nice area and ready to live in. So outside we did a few things. So what we did was just a pressure wash of the siding out here on the exterior, kind of wrapped around. Just kind of cleaning it up. Just needed a little bit of love to get it presentable. So guys, thanks for taking a look with me today. If you are thinking about selling your home and you're kind of curious to see what you might be able to do to maximize your value, or you just bought a home and you're looking to maybe renovate a few things that you're wanting to do in that process as well, give me a call. I love what I do. I work with a great team of realtors and a great team of subcontractors that I work closely with. So no matter your project, if it's home maintenance related, give me a call.